Want to create sitemap in WordPress? In this tutorial, you will learn how to create sitemap in WordPress step by step. Sitemap helps search engines crawl your pages, improve SEO and boost ranking. Let's quickly generate WordPress sitemap using DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin.
Alright, so you already know now what is sitemap. Now we are going to create the XML sitemap for our website using the best AI SEO plugin DefiniteSEO. So for it, just follow the steps here. Just download the DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin. Go to the WordPress dashboard and go to the plugin sections. Then click on add new plugin. From here, in the search bar, write DefiniteSEO. And now, just install this plugin. Here you can see my plugin is getting downloaded here. Alright, and now just activate DefiniteSEO. Here you can see the DefiniteSEO plugin is installed now, and we are ready to create the XML sitemap for our website. But before that, you need to go to the dashboard settings of the DefiniteSEO plugin. Just go to the dashboard settings and enable the sitemap module from here. Like here, I'm going to enable it. Then save the changes. Now there are separate two modules regarding the sitemap, that is news sitemap and video sitemap. If your website contains the stuff regarding the news, then you can just enable the news sitemap option, and if your website is having the video content, then you can just enable the video sitemap. Now I'm going to save the changes. Here you can see. Alright. Now we are ready to create the sitemap for our website using the best AI SEO plugin. So when we download the DefiniteSEO plugin and enable the sitemap module, by default DefiniteSEO plugin creates the sitemap for our website. Means without doing any optimization and without doing any manual thing, the DefiniteSEO by default creates the sitemap. Now I am going to show you the sitemap that is created by the DefiniteSEO plugin by default for my website. So I am just copying the link of my website. Here you can see, and just writing at the end sitemap underscore index.xml. Here you can see. So this is the XML sitemap that is created by the DefiniteSEO plugin by default for my website. Here you can see. So the DefiniteSEO plugin have created the sitemaps for my post, page, product, categories, post tag. So I don't have to do any manual coding, any manual optimization for my website in this sitemap. The DefiniteSEO by default created the sitemap for my website. But if you want to optimize the sitemap according to you and want to go further in the settings, then don't worry. We are going to do the steps about how to create the XML sitemap for your WordPress website. So just stay tuned. So for optimizing the sitemap of your website, you need to go to the DefiniteSEO plugin settings from the dashboard side and click on the sitemap option. The first thing that you can optimize for the sitemap is content types. So the DefiniteSEO plugin basically gives you two things in the content types, post and page. But if you are having the WooCommerce website, there is a third option, that is product. You can select if you want to include and exclude all these things from the sitemap. Suppose if I am including the post and excluding the pages and including the products, then I am going to save the changes. Then my pages will be excluded from the sitemap. I am going to show you. After saving the changes, I am going to preview this sitemap. Just click on the sitemap preview, and here you can see the pages of my website is excluded from this sitemap. So if you want to exclude any specific pages and posts from your sitemap, then don't worry, there is another option for it. Just open any random page or post. I am going to open a page. Here you can see I have opened this page and I want to exclude this specific page from my sitemap. Then just go to the post site settings of the DefiniteSEO plugin and go to the advanced settings from here. Then click on the critical options. Here you can see there is an option of no index. You can no index this page. You just have to write it here. Then confirm it. Then just save the changes. And this page will be excluded from the sitemap. So we are done with the first settings of the sitemap, that is content types. Now we are moving forward with the second one, that is taxonomy. So the WordPress organizes the content using the taxonomies such as categories and tags, and DefiniteSEO allows you to manage how these taxonomies appear in the sitemap. So we are going to optimize these taxonomies of our website, and the first thing is categories, where you can just include and exclude them. Like if you want to include the categories in the sitemap, then you can just keep it included. And then there is tags, brands, product categories, product tags and product shipping classes. The options that are related to the WooCommerce are brands, product categories, product tags and product shipping classes. If you are not having the WooCommerce website, then there will be only two options, that will be categories and tags. You can decide if you want to include them or exclude them. Here you can see I am going to exclude the product tags and product shipping classes. All the things, categories, tags, brands, product categories, I am going to keep them included and just save the changes. Here you can see. So the sitemaps for my categories, tags, brands and product categories are included. So the third option is archives. By default, the WordPress automatically creates the archive pages, including the author-based archives for your website. And DefiniteSEO allows you full flexibility if you want to include the author archives or not. Here you can see you can keep it included, and if you want to make it exclude, then just select the exclude option. So basically the author archives list all posts written by the specific authors. These pages are useful for multi-author blogs but can lead to duplicate content issues in a single author blogs. So you have to be very careful with it. Now the fourth option is here, additional pages. So some websites includes the static HTML pages or externally hosted images that are not part of the WordPress ecosystem. And for it, DefiniteSEO provides you two options here, additional page and also the additional image link. If you are having any additional pages that are outside the WordPress ecosystem, then you can just paste the link of that page here. Like I'm going to paste any random link here. Like there is a just dummy page. I'm just pasting the link here. Here you can see. You can also set the priority of the page, like I'm going to keep it on 0.4. Then just save the changes. And same with the additional image, like if you are having any additional image that is outside hosted or outside the WordPress ecosystem, then you can just paste the link of the image here in the box. And same, you can also set the priority of the image and then just save the changes. By adding the links of additional pages and images, the DefiniteSEO will create the sitemap for it. Now the fifth option to optimize for the sitemap is priority settings. So the DefiniteSEO offers an option to assign the priority values to the different content types by helping the search engines about the important pages of your website, like which one is more important and which one is not. So currently the search engines often disregard the priority tag, and because of it the DefiniteSEO disable it by default. But if you want to customize the priority settings, there are two options here. First, you need to enable the priority settings. I'm going to enable them. Now there are two options here for setting the priority of your content. Use the auto settings and use the manual settings. If you are a beginner and you are not sure about how much priority you have to set on each pages, then you can just use the first option, that is use auto settings. In this settings, DefiniteSEO will automatically set the priorities to your pages according to it. And if you want to customize the priorities manually, then just select the second option, use manual settings. And from here you can set the priority of each page that is present in your website manually, like here you can see. And after optimizing this priority settings, just save the changes. This option is very important because based on this option the priority will be set for your pages of the website, so you have to be very careful here. Now the second option is image sitemap. So images plays the very important role in the search engine visibility. Yes, you can also get visibility and rankings through your images, and for it the image sitemap option is very much important. It's especially for the websites focused on media, photography or e-commerce websites, and for it DefiniteSEO gives you the option of image sitemap, where you can just include and exclude the image of your websites. And also specifically you can decide if you want to include and exclude the featured image of your website. Here you can see I'm going to keep both included and then just saving the changes. By saving the changes, both the images, like both the featured images and the other images, will be included in the sitemap of my website. Now I am moving forward with the video sitemap. So the video sitemap is very much important for the websites that publish the video content, and for it DefiniteSEO automatically includes all the videos in the sitemap. You can decide if you want to keep them excluded or not, but I am going to keep them included here because videos also can get rankings. Here just save the changes. Now there is another important option that you can optimize for the sitemap is the new sitemap. So the new sitemap is for those websites which are having the new stuff, and for it DefiniteSEO includes a Google New Sitemap feature which allows search engines to find and index news content efficiently. And here the first option here is Google News publication name. Like if you are having the news website, then you can just write the publication name here in the box, and if you want to include the post in the sitemap, then you can just keep this option on included, and if you want to exclude the post from the new sitemap, then you can just keep it on excluded. Currently I am not having the new sitemap, so I am not doing any optimization here. You can do if you are having the new sitemap. And the final option is the general settings. Here you can see. So the DefiniteSEO provides a general configuration option to manage the number of links per sitemap, and by default DefiniteSEO limits each sitemap page to 200 links to ensure the optimal performance. You can decide how many links you want per sitemap page. I am going to keep them on 200. If you want to make it more, then just click here, but if you want to keep them less, then just click here. And after doing all the optimization of your sitemap, just save the changes, and now we are going to preview the sitemap that we have created with the best AI SEO plugin DefiniteSEO. So I am just copying the link of my website in a new tab, where you can see, and writing the sitemap underscore index.xml. So here you can see this is the XML sitemap that is created by the best AI SEO plugin DefiniteSEO, and all the sitemaps from my post, product, categories, post tag has been created here, you can see. And now I am going to open the sitemap of my post. Just click on here. Here you can see all the posts that I want to be added in the sitemap is here, and also the priority has been set on 50%. Here you can see.
Google will now process sitemap and begin indexing your site accordingly. You can check status of your submitted sitemap in Google Search Console. And that's how you can create and submit sitemap using DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin. And best of luck for creating a sitemap in WordPress using DefiniteSEO AI SEO plugin.